Hey everyone! Claude Pro normally costs around $20 a month, but yes, there are a few legit ways to use it for free in 2026. No scams, no tricks, just real methods. Let's get into it. First, what do you actually get with Claude Pro? You get much higher usage limits, faster responses, and priority access even during peak times, so it's definitely worth it if you can get it free. First method, the official free trial. New users can sometimes get a free trial when signing up on Claude's website. You'll need to add a payment method, but you can cancel before the trial ends and you won't be charged. This is the easiest and most direct option. Next, Guest Pass. This is one of the best hidden methods. Some paid users get guest passes they can share. These usually give you around 7 days of pro access for free. You can find these shared in communities like Reddit, Discord, or Twitter. Just search and you'll find people giving them away. Third, promotions. Sometimes the company behind Claude runs special offers like discounts or free credits. These aren't always available, but when they are, you can get pro access or usage credits without paying. Keep an eye on their official updates. Fourth, free API credits. When you create a developer account, you may get some free credits to test Claude. It's not exactly pro, but it gives you access to powerful features without spending money. Fifth, student programs. If you're a student, you might get free access through campus programs or AI clubs. Some students even get pro access or credits just by participating in these programs. Sixth, open source programs. If you're a developer working on a popular project, you can apply for special programs that offer extended pro access for free. This is more advanced, but very valuable if you qualify. And here's a bonus tip. Don't ignore the free version. It's actually very powerful and can handle most tasks easily if you use it smartly. And that's it. Free trial, guest pass, promotions, API credits, student programs, and open source access. All real methods you can try right now. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.